All right, Jenny, you like to get out of the way. Oh, she's wanting to play. All right, put them over here. Now, who's this?
Lucy, Roxy.
Okay, Lucy, Bailey, and Roxy. Okay, let them up here.
So.
Okay, here we go. Let's turn it to the side here.
Roxy, Baily.
Yeah. Bailey's in the middle. And this one's who? Lucy.
Lucy, I think.
And this one's Roxy. Now, you were supposed to keep it straight. Okay, that's all right. We can figure it out when we get it on there. Okay, put her up there. Turn them to the side. Okay, hold them up there.
Like this?
Okay, hold them up against you. Get all three of them if you can. Okay, right there. Here we go. There we go. Okay. Jenner, what do you think about it? All right, put them down. What do you think, Jenny? Okay, here we go.